Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 SD cards available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best SD cards. The fifth product on our list is the Micro Center Premium. Suppose you're an adventurer, photographer, or enthusiast. In that case, you are likely to agree that the memory card you buy for your camera or video recorder will influence the kinds of pictures and videos you take. Today, most modern-day gadgets like laptops, smartphones, and tablets utilize memory cards to increase their storage capacity. With this Micro Center SD card, you'll have a product that is ideal for daily use. It gives up to 95 megabytes per second of sequential read and a reasonable 30 megabytes per second of sequential write speed. This is more than enough to ensure that your smartphone or tablet can record full HD videos without any problems. What's more, it can also be used with digital cameras, laptops, and any other device with an SD slot. As for the Micro Center SD card's design, it's pretty minimal to look at, with a black body and white text. It's not particularly special and is similar to the many other generic SD cards out there, but since it's going to be on the inside of your device, this is hardly a concern. What is important, however, is just how durable the Micro Center flash memory card is. It's even waterproof, temperature-proof, shock-proof, and X-ray proof. So when taking this on your travels, you won't have to worry too much about it breaking in harsh climates or when being put through airport security. The card itself comes with an SD adapter, which can be used with card readers, laptops, and PCs, useful if you need to move images from an SLR camera to a computer. Furthermore, this product is one of the cheapest 64GB flash memory SD cards available online. And since it supports pretty much everything from smartphones, tablets, and cameras to expensive laptops, you can't really go wrong. Its ability to record and play back full HD videos with no stuttering or loss of quality makes this card perfect for mobile videographers. Finally, you can also use this unit with handheld game consoles such as the Nintendo Switch. Its pros are: it has multiple storage size options with a rapid read speed. It is made to be tough. And it is capable of being used across a range of devices. However, its included adapter does reduce the write speed, somewhat slowing download speeds. The Micro Center Premium is a budget-friendly SD card, perfect for the snap-happy traveler needing extra storage space. Up next, in the fourth place, is the Super Duoduo. You'll often find that smartphones, tablets, and even laptops regularly rely on memory cards to expand their storage capacity in this day and age. This usually comes from the consumers demanding higher resolution and less compressed videos from cameras. Unfortunately, the byproduct of high quality is more storage capacity is needed to hold all the information. That's where SD cards like the Super Duoduo come in. These manufacturers have responded to the demand by supplying memory cards that are not only more durable than in the past, but more capable than the standard memory found in smartphones. This product is ideal for Android smartphones, tablets, drones, dash cameras, camcorders, high-res photos, gaming, music, DSLRs, driving recorders, digital SLR cameras, surveillance cameras, sports cameras, Bluetooth speakers, VR, computers, and laptops. Additionally, today's cameras often record 4K video directly to micro SD cards and raw HD video to SD cards. You need a memory card that can keep up with the ever-rising demand for more storage. Some of the fastest cards around rival SSD drives in terms of read and write speed. And this one has a Class 10 speed with performance optimization, so you get rapid transfer of data from your device to the storage system. Furthermore, like our last product, this unit has been built to be shock-proof, temperature-proof, waterproof, and X-ray proof, so it can resist all the world has to throw at it and keep your photos, videos, and game data safe. Speaking of which, the Duoduo comes with an excellent 2-year warranty. If you happen to encounter any product-related problems during the use of this card, all you need to do is contact the company through Amazon to receive help and refunds. This product is excellent for storing high-quality photos and recording HD videos. So with it, you will not miss out on capturing those picturesque scenes during your adventures or lose precious save files on your game console. Its pros are: it's compatible with pretty much any device. It's got a super fast read and write speed. And it has excellent customer support. However, some users have said that the card adapter does not fit in some devices, such as the Kindle 7. The Super Duoduo is a high-capacity memory card most suited for backup storage on things like the Nintendo Switch. Still haven't found an SD card that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Samsung Evo Plus. If you're looking for the reliability and peace of mind that comes from a trusted brand, and something with enough capacity and speed with storing full HD video without hitches, then the Samsung Evo is your best bet. With its super fast read speed of up to 95 megabytes, the 32GB Evo Plus enables you to transfer a 3GB video to your laptop in about 38 seconds. This means you never worry about waiting time again. Moreover, its memory is ample for 4 hours of full HD video, 6 hours of HD video, or 7,500 photos, more than enough for the casual user or even professional photographer in most cases. Samsung is known to be reliable, and this product is no different. It touts a robust construction and is advertised as 7 multi-proof, meaning they have protection against water with a survival rate up to 72 hours under 3 feet of seawater. It can even withstand extreme temperatures, -13 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit while still operating, and down to -40 when not operating. Other in-house testing included wear out, where it was tested with up to 10,000 mating cycles with an SD host. The term mating cycles refers to how many times the unit can be inserted and ejected. So suppose you keep this card for 10 years. That would mean you can install and remove it 2.74 times every day without a problem. Furthermore, if you switch out your cards every few years, it means you can install and remove them more than 9.13 times per day without the card losing its compatibility or becoming corrupted. Additionally, they tested how it stood against X-rays, magnetic fields, and accidental drops and shocks of up to 16 feet. All in all, this card was built to be durable. And not only that, but it has an impressive 10-year warranty so that you can use this SD card worry-free. Lastly, Samsung also did extensive internal compatibility tests and found that this Samsung Evo Plus series was fully compatible with more than 1,200 devices, ranging from phones, tablets, digital still cameras to digital video recorders. So you should find a use for this product in at least one of your devices. Its pros are: it's fast with a range of storage sizes. It has been designed to be incredibly durable. And it's got a 10-year warranty. However, it sometimes has random 2 megabyte writes during use. The Samsung Evo Plus is an incredibly well-made product, perfect for anyone looking for reliability above all else. The second product on our list is the Gigastone Ultraplus. This SD card is a perfect product for beginners getting into video recording who need a high-performance card for their device. This Gigastone unit offers solid and stable read and write speeds, making it ideal for full HD video recording. What's more, with this company, there's a choice of getting a pack of 5 for a very affordable price. Moreover, thanks to its 90 megabyte per second read speed, the Gigastone SD card allows you to record and play back full HD videos effortlessly. Additionally, the SD card can support up to 20 megabytes per second of write speeds while being capable of storing about 8,400 full HD photos, 4,900 audio files, and 240 full HD videos. What's more, like others on the list, the Gigastone Micro SD card is seamlessly compatible with all kinds of devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, PCs, drones, cameras, and dash cams. This Gigastone SD card actually carries it with a little more style than most other cards of its type. Some variants get an eye-catching splash of red and gray color and helpful information printed on top, which makes it look similar to the Samsung Evo Plus. It means that when searching around in a drawer, you're less likely to lose the critical storage device. Moreover, you have little to worry about when it comes down to the quality, as this card is waterproof, shockproof, X-ray proof, and temperature proof. Also, it's very lightweight, with one card weighing just 0.704 ounces while being incredibly thin. With between 32 to 512 gigabytes of storage available as options on each card, you will have all of the extra space you need to store full HD videos, photos, music, and game files. With the price including 5 SD adapters that can be used with any card reader, you're getting great value for money. Lastly, if you're on the market looking for a cheap and good quality set of micro SD cards for multiple devices, then the Gigastone SD card is for you. Its pros are: it has quick, stable read and write speeds, it's reliable with a solid construction, and it's great value for money. However, its usable storage can be up to 11 gigabytes, less than what's advertised. The Gigastone Ultraplus makes getting enough storage for all your photos a breeze. It's perfect for anyone looking to expand the capacity of their devices a large amount. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top SD card is the SanDisk Extreme. If you're looking for something with a lot of storage that is suitable for smartphones, action cameras, and drones, then look no further than the SanDisk Extreme. With a shooting speed of 70 megabytes and ultra-high speed, it is perfect for capturing a stunning and high-resolution 4K UHD video and sequential burst photography. So, you can film anytime and anywhere. As is expected with SanDisk, this card looks and feels solidly made, and once you start using it, this card indeed falls into the excellent quality arena. The color scheme is another area of note, as with these tiny cards, they can often be easy to lose. The color choices with the SanDisk make it stand out, as it quickly enables you to find it and see which way around the card is supposed to go, and more importantly, find it if it accidentally pings out of an action camera. Just like with all the micro SD cards on this list, there's a small indent on the top side edge, making it easier for you to remove the card when inserted. It is worth noting that this SanDisk SD card is designed for full HD video rather than 4K, and the various specs and logos on top of the card reinforce that point. However, it is actually fast enough to cope with 4K if needed. The read speeds on this product are quoted as being up to 95 megabytes per second, which is one of the highest on today's list. An SD's read speed is always important, but unless you regularly like to review your footage through the camera, it's the write speeds that matter more. Interestingly, this unit has a video class of C10 to show that the card has a minimum write speed of 10 megabytes per second, which is comfortable for Full HD. Yet this product was far faster, with 51.2 megabytes per second being observed in some tests. This is significantly better than the advertised speed, and shows that this card can not just easily capture HD, but should also be fine for 4K as well. A big bonus, as dedicated 4K cards can be very expensive. Finally, with its 256GB capacity, you're unlikely to need to swap it out once installed. Its pros are: it has a durable construction, it's capable of taking 4K videos despite not being rated for it, and its huge storage capacity is very convenient. However, it may not work with older Android smartphones, as they won't be compatible with such a large storage device. The SanDisk Extreme is an overall ideal card for almost any storage need. It's recommended for those wanting to shoot large full HD videos without needing to swap out cards regularly. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.